Hi, in this screencast, I'm going to walk you through how you set up your maps for your Google project, for your physical geography. So what I might need to do in the first time I actually get to Google Maps is click on this little gear and then select Your Places. Okay. What will happen then is I'll get something that looks probably like this, or I might be prompted to go through Google Maps, like over here, maybe learn more, and then go to the maps. And what this will do is it'll change the top. It'll now make a new screen, which I'm going to shift over to right now. That would be called Map Engines Pro or Map Engines Lite. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to create a new map. If I go back to my instructions, I know that it was going to be called Physical Geography. And I also had a description to place in there, and I copied it right from the instructions. So I'm just going to paste it in. The instructions also ask to select your base map, and your base map is going to be the background. So what we recommend is maybe using the terrain so you can basically see the mountains and stuff a little bit easier, or you can use the satellite, which looks pretty cool too. So I'll select that. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to be putting in various points on the map itself so that way we can work with it. And so what I'm going to do then is start with continents, which are in green. And I'll select a marker and I'll place it on the continent. In this case, it's North America. I can hit save. Okay, now what you're going to notice here is with my map, I'll just zoom out a little bit so you can see better. I have a thumbtack, but right now it is not green, it's red. So what I'm going to do then is go on over here and change the color of it to green. And then I'm okay with it. So I can save it, and then I can go on down and say South America. Do the same thing. And hit save. Okay, again, it turned out red. I just want to make it green. Okay, so that's how I can go ahead and do the continents. This is also how I can go ahead and take care of the landforms, which are going to be orange. And what I can also work on is going to be a couple other markers, and those markers are going to be vegetation is red and climate is blue. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a climate marker real quick for you so you can see it. I'm going to go to ice cap. Okay, here's a great example of ice cap. It's Antarctica. So I'll click here on ice cap. I believe it was blue. Okay, I'll type in the name of it and then a quick description so I can say dry and extremely cold. And I can hit save. Now if I want to, I can go back, change the color to blue. I can also edit the picture and edit the map and then also put in a photograph. So I can do a quick search. Maybe I want to type in like Antarctica. And I can find a picture of what might be an ice cap place. And to me, that says ice cap. Holy cold. I hit save. I now have an ice cap name with a description as well as a photograph. And that's how I can go ahead and place it. And what's going to happen is I'll go ahead and do the same thing with landforms. I'll do the same thing with the vegetation zones. And when it's all said and done, what I'm going to see is a map here that when I mouse over, I'll be able to see descriptions and pictures. I'll be able to see the names of continents, and I'll be able to understand all of these things really well. And that is how you work on the maps. Thanks for watching.